How to fix Mint Mobile not working. To fix your Mint Mobile application that is not working, first of all, you simply have to try restarting your mobile device. Or what you can also do is swipe downwards from the top to open the quick panel and then enable the airplane mode for almost 15 to 30 seconds to reset your network connection or refresh it. Now want to turn it off, you simply have to open your device's app gallery, then locate the Mint application. Once you locate it, you simply have to long press it, tap on this I option, and then scroll down and you will find the storage option over here. Go ahead and proceed to clear the cache to remove all sorts of unwanted corrupted files and then head backwards and relaunch your application. Your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.